Let's talk about the Leena AI autonomous agent. What that means is our AI can take a variety of tasks or prompts and break them down into smaller individual prompts, updating different systems and different solutions accordingly with the prompts I put into it. Take, for example, the prompts I'm putting in right now. I had a meeting with the CEO of Wayne Enterprises, Bruce Wayne. He mentioned they face high attrition in the manufacturing plants. Send him an email with a case study highlighting how we've helped companies with similar challenges. I'm also going on vacation from certain dates. I want to add a note to revisit this deal when I return from vacation. So when I put this information in, our system will start doing the work. So what we call the Leena AI brain, it's going to find the systems we need to connect to from the prompts that we were given. So as it starts going through the information that we're looking at, it's going to find out information around the CEO, Wayne Enterprises, dates that we're looking at, and so forth. So you can see I need to find a case study relevant to what we're talking about here. And I found a case study from Coca-Cola beverages. We can look at this case study and figure out the information from this. As you can see, our system's also fetching the appropriate APIs for this. I'm not inputting this information. It is finding this information on its own to find the appropriate systems to connect to not only get the appropriate information, we can also update information from here also. It found the API for a search contact in HubSpot, which is a CRM. Figuring out the parameters of this API, and it's going to be calling this and doing the information that I have requested. As you can see, it found Bruce Wayne's email. I didn't put Bruce Wayne's email anywhere. It went to the system directly and found that, and now sending him a case study on the Coca-Cola beverages case study that we have. As you can see, it also has created an email for me that I can send to Bruce Wayne about our case study. It's going to summarize the case study itself, highlighting the challenges, showing the results that we've achieved also. In addition, we'll send a link to the case study for more information and the additional details that he may need. Back on the virtual assistant side now, beyond just sending the email, it's also updating the information about the Wayne Enterprises deal. So it's also, after it updates the information with this, it can apply for a leave if it's necessary also. It's going to call that system to apply for those leaves, in addition to also asking if additional information is needed for those leaves, such as a visa letter. So may need a visa letter to go to the countries that we're looking at. And since you're going to Paris, do I need a visa letter? And I can say yes to this as an example. As I say yes to I need a visa letter, it's going to go to the appropriate system to create a visa letter for me. Again, that Leena AI brain is going to find the appropriate parameters, find the appropriate system, call upon it all on its own, and generate that letter for me also without any human intervention whatsoever. As it calls upon those API parameters, it's going to find the information and create that visa letter for me also. We will send a link to that visa letter for reference also, and also display it here also. When I click on the link for this visa letter, it's going to take me to the page where I can see this letter. If I need to download it or whatever I need to do with this information, now I have it.